Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to do Shopify tracking order page. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's first head over to a new tab and search in here for apps.shopify.com. Now this will open the Shopify App Store. What you can do is you can just head over and click on the search bar and then search in here for order tracking. Once you have head over and then search for this, you should be able to see some search results that can help you with this one. So for example, you can use this parcel panel order tracking. So let's head over and click on this one. And as you can see, they have a free plan available. And in here, they also have this tracking for these orders. So head over and click on the install button, and then this will open a new tab wherein it will ask you for access in order to successfully install this specific application to your Shopify store. So what you can do is you can just head over and click on the install option. And then as you can see, it will install itself. So as you can see, this is what the dashboard look like. So what you can do is you can just set up this. So let's head over and add a tracking page. So the URL is this one. So we can just head over and copy that. And then we just need to add this to our store navigation menu. So click on this add tracking page. Now this will open here a new tab wherein you should be able to see the menus on your Shopify store. So for example, for this one, we can add this on our main menu. So head over to our main menu. And then in here, let's add a new menu item. Let's name this order tracking. And then in here, just paste in here the link that we have copied. And then let's click on this one. After that, click on add. And then head over and save this progress. Once you have done that, let's head back to the previous tab and click on I have done this. Once you have clicked on this, as you can see, there will be a check. Now you can click on this right here to customize your notification. Now in here, this is what it look like. You can head over and put in here the info received, as well as the tailored for Shopify and everything that you have right here. You can enable all of these things for you in order to make sure that they have it. So for example, let's enable this UPS. We can enable this USPS or any order tracking page that you have for now. So right now, let's head back again to our tracking page. And then as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can also customize how it looks like. For example, for me, I'll make this color blue just like this. And you can click on this preview right here in order to see what it will look like. So as of right now, this is what our tracking page will look like. And you can also see the status, as well as the courier that you have, as well as the current location of that, as well as the status of that specific courier. So you can see that we have this order tracking page on our store, and we should be able to track the order for that. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!